Now covering the subscription tab of FileMaker Cloud, this is where you're going to kind of go to scale FileMaker Cloud. Now, one thing of note is that once you input your license key here, for the subscription-based ones that I purchased off Amazon Marketplace, you actually need to get a different subscription if you want to scale. It doesn't really easily scale right in here. So you're going to probably set up another FileMaker server account or another FileMaker Cloud server with your new subscription following that simple process again. But for things like instance settings, if you want to scale up to more robust hardware, you can do that right in this tab. And what it actually does is it will stop your server, create an entire new instance with this new hardware, and then restart your server with your files attached to it. So it's really easy to scale up and down for if you need to, have some more performance because your database is going to get hit. So that process just looks like this. You click change, you'll click OK on this, and then in about 10 minutes you'll receive another completion email, same as when you set up the FileMaker Cloud instance the first time. I'm going to click cancel for now. Storage settings works exactly the same way. It starts you off with a 40 gigabyte drive by default. If you want to switch to a much larger drive to hold a lot more files, you can just come in here, click on, say, 100 gigabytes, and the upgrade process takes about that same 10 minutes. Hit OK, wait for the email when it completes, and then you just log back in and your new drive is attached. Super simple, very easy to manage. And lastly, in the subscription center here, this is where you can go to download your actual copies of FileMaker Pro Advanced that come with your rental license key. So you see your license key is grayed out there. You can click to show it, download the Mac OS 10 or Mac OS version of FileMaker Pro Advanced or the Windows 32 and 64 bits. And it's got links. It's got a link to your FileMaker WebDirect Launch Center so that you can provide that link to people. And then you can download your databases here as well, which just takes you back to the databases tab. So this has the directions for discontinuing your FileMaker Cloud subscription and also those opt-in registration settings. So that was when we first logged into this instance. These were those opt-ins that we can now edit here if we want to. So that's basically the subscriptions tab.